Okay, good morning, dear students. In the last class, we are discussed about the types of synthetic fibers. Okay, synthetic fiber, first one, rayon. Rayon we can call that is the artificial silk. Okay, it is look like a silk cloth. First, silk obtained from silkworms. Okay, rayon is the artificial silk. And today I am going to discuss about the nylon. Okay, nylon also artificial, nylon also synthetic fiber. Okay, how can we prepare the nylon? Rayon fiber was obtained by chemical treatment of wood pulp. Okay, this fiber is called rayon. How can we obtain the nylon? Nylon. Second synthetic fiber is nylon. First one is a rayon, second one is a nylon. Nylon is another man-made fiber. Nylon is another man-made fiber. It was made without using any natural raw material, that is from plant or animals. Okay, nylon is another man-made fiber. It is prepared in 1931. It was made without using any natural raw material from plant or animals. It was prepared from coal, water and air. Nylon was prepared from coal, water and air. It was the first fully synthetic fiber. Nylon is the first fully synthetic fiber. Okay, one by one we have to discuss about the nylon. Nylon is another man-made fiber. Another man-made fiber in 1931. Nylon is another man-made fiber in 1931. It was made without using any natural raw material. It was made without using any natural raw material. Any natural raw material, that is from plant or animals. It was prepared from coal, water and air. It was prepared from coal, water and air. Okay, nylon is prepared from coal, water and air, but rayon is prepared from chemical treatment of wood pulp. Okay, that is the difference between the nylon and rayon. And it was the first fully synthetic fiber. It was the first fully synthetic fiber. It was the first fully synthetic fiber. Nylon fiber was strong, elastic and light. Okay, nylon fiber it is very strong and elastic and light. Nylon fiber was strong, elastic and light. It was lustrous and easy to wash. It was lustrous and easy to wash. It became very popular for making clothes. Nylon fiber is very popular for making clothes. We use many articles made from nylon, such as socks is a nylon, and ropes, tents, toothbrushes, car seat belts, sleeping bags, okay, curtains, Curtains also we can prepare by nylon. Nylon fiber is very strong, so we can make nylon parachutes. With nylon we can make the parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. Okay, for rock climbing we can use the ropes. That ropes are prepared from nylon, and parachutes also we can prepare from nylon. Nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire. Nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire. Here nylon become very popular for making clothes. Nylon become very popular for making clothes. We use many articles made from nylon. Many articles made from nylon, such as socks, ropes, tents, toothbrushes. And car seat belts, sleeping bags, curtains. These are prepared from nylon. Okay, we use many articles made from nylon, such as socks, ropes, tents, toothbrushes, car seat belts, sleeping bags, and curtains are prepared from nylon. Okay, so nylon fiber is very strong. Nylon fiber is very strong. That's why we can make nylon. We can make nylon parachutes and ropes for rock climbing. Ropes are we can use for rock climbing. Okay, actually nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire. Nylon thread is actually stronger than a steel wire. Okay, so we can do one activity. We have to take the one iron stand, and that stand we can tie with one cotton thread. We can tie with cotton thread, and you can add the weights to the cotton thread. Okay, one by one weight, increase the weight up to till thread will be break. Okay, and you have to note down the weight, and do the same activity with the remaining cotton, nylon, polyester, rayon. Okay, which is having the more weight? Nylon thread only having the more weight, and you can write their weights and which fiber you are taking, cotton fiber or nylon fiber or acrylic or rayon, polyester. Okay, and their weights. This is a activity to prove the nylon thread is very strong than remaining all synthetic fibers. Okay.